Video to help you get a little bit more familiar with inspiration. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and open inspiration. So we'll go ahead and come up to the search and we'll type in inspiration. You can see that it'll come up as inspiration 8. So you want to click on that and just wait for it to open. While it opens, I want to explain the objective of this video. First, I will show you how to add multiple items to inspiration. Then I will show you how to insert a graphic into inspiration. And third, I will show you how to link items in inspiration. So first you'll get this little menu. I'm going to click on diagrams, and when you open it up you'll see the first item, which is highlighted and titled main idea. So for this example I'm going to type in Los Angeles Dodgers, which happens to be my favorite team. So when I click away, you'll notice that after you add the text, it pretty much self-centers itself in the item. So you can click and drag the item to whatever you like. So we're going to move it up just a bit. Now, as soon as you click somewhere else, you're basically clicking to where you want the next item to be. So we can go ahead and type in the Dodger, a current Dodger. So we'll type in Clayton Kershaw. And we'll just click away to see it centered. And we'll show you how to add another one. Let's type in Adrian Gonzalez. Right? So we'll try to put this in the center here. Now to link them, now that this is selected, we want to link that to an example. So that's what shows the direction here. Arrowhead towards the example. Topic again, Dodgers. So as we're still in the link mode, you can continue to link items to items. Now you'll know that you're in link mode because if you pay attention to this cursor, you'll see the two links next to it. When you're no longer in link, like if I were to unclick it, then it's just a simple cursor by itself. Now this box here allows you to add text to the link from the topic to the example. So for example here I can put first base. Then we come over here and click, and we can type in picture. Right? Now to insert an image, we're going to go ahead and first add an image of Clayton Kershaw. So you want to first find the image, so we'll go ahead and go to Google. So we can go up here and we can look up at Chrome if they have that as an engine. So we can go ahead and click on that. Or you can simply click on it on the sidebar. So what we plan to do here is when the web page opens, we want to go ahead and find an image of Clayton Kershaw to save onto our desktop. Once we save it onto our desktop, we'll go ahead and input it into our inspiration. So we'll go up here and type in Clayton Kershaw. Enter. And we'll go ahead and wait for the results. Alright, and we'll type in on images. When I click on images, we get a variety of what type of images Clayton Kershaw has. We can go ahead and pick one. So we'll just go ahead and pick this one, typical profile. And so we'll go ahead and right click and go down to save images. When the menu comes up, we want to go ahead and click here to extend it. So we can make sure that we're on desktop. We can go ahead and save it elsewhere, but we'll do it on desktop, Kershaw. Easy enough to identify, and we'll go ahead and click save. Now, we can minimize this as we may need to use it later. And so we'll go back here and we'll click it right in the beginning because we want the image to be before the name or the caption. So we'll go ahead and go to edit and go down to insert graphic. And then you will come up and you can go into your desktop and look for Kershaw as we named it. So we want to go down and there it is, Kershaw. Double click would work and you'll see your image. Now these formatting squares here allow you to resize, so you want to make sure you click and hold. You'll see the outline, so you can go ahead and resize it up there, and then you can go ahead and bring it back up. Easy as that. So now we'll click away, and we'll go ahead and repeat the process for Adrian Gonzalez. So we'll go ahead and head over here. See how we can get this sidebar to come up. And here we go to down here where we have the window. And we'll go ahead and move up. This time we'll type in Adrian Gonzalez. And we'll get images of him, and we can go ahead and click on this one. And then we can right click, save image as. Usually the settings are kept, so you'll see desktop, and we'll leave it at that, Adrian Gonzalez, and a little part of the description. So we'll go ahead and minimize this. Now I'm going to show you how to do it a little bit different, but again you can always do the same. You go here and go down to edit, insert graphic, and it would open up. You'll select your image and then you can resize it. The other way is, we know that it's on our desktop, so we can move this a little bit over as much as we can until we see the picture. Now we see the image that it's right here, so we can go ahead and actually just click and drag it over into inspiration. So now that you see that, we can go ahead and move this back. And so again, we want to show you that everything's still there. So we can go ahead and click on the formatting square and shrink it, bring it back over. Now in order to get this image into this item, we want to go ahead and go back here, and you can still do it in the form of cut and paste. So we can select this, and you can either do the shortcut or go to edit and press cut, shortcut being Command X. And so there, the image is gone, but it is stored. And so we'll go ahead and click here, and we'll go to edit and click paste or Command V. There you go. Now you have two images, and you can continue the process. If you would like to add further players or further images into your topic. Also, you feel free to continue to explore the many features that Inspiration offers. And good luck in creating an effective presentation using Inspiration.